class, now here we will consider another example of the isotopes, that is the isotope of carbon. So class, there are two stable isotopes of the carbon, carbon 12 and carbon 13, and one radioactive isotope that is known as carbon 14. So class, here this is the MCQ, that there are two stable isotopes of the carbon are carbon 12 and the carbon 13, and only the one isotope of the carbon is radioactive in nature, that is carbon 14. Now here we will discuss about the abundance of each and every isotope of the carbon. So the isotope carbon 12 is present in the abundance of 98.9%, while the carbon 13 and the 14 both are present only in 1.1% in the nature. Now class, the carbon 12 is actually present in 98.9% within the nature, and the carbon 13 and 14 are actually present in 1.1% in the nature. All of them have the same number of proton and the electron, but difference is only in the number of neutrons. As we are saying according to the definition of the isotopes, that isotopes always having the same number of protons. If they have same number of proton, it means they have same number of electrons, but there will be the only difference of the number of neutrons. So here these are the structures of the isotopes of the carbon. So just come towards the, here this is the carbon 12, here this is the carbon 13, carbon 14. Class, each and every isotope of the carbon having 6 number of protons. If they have 6 number of protons, they have 6 number of neutrons. Just look at this: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means that the carbon having 6 number of proton and 6 number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. Now class, come towards the carbon 12. Now class, here the atomic number of the carbon is 6. It means that the number of proton will be 6, but the atomic mass of the carbon is 12. So here we will minus the number of protons from the atomic mass. So here it comes 6. It means that 6 number of neutrons are present within the carbon 12. Now come towards the carbon 13, and here you can see that number of protons remain 6 because the atomic number is 6. You can see that the number of protons is 6. So class, now here we will talk about the atomic mass. So class, the atomic mass of the carbon 13 is 13. So class, here we will minus the number of protons from the mass number. So the answer comes 7. It means that carbon 13 having 7 number of neutrons present within the nucleus. Now come towards the carbon 14. So carbon 14 having same atomic number, that is 6, but the atomic mass is 14. So here we will minus the number of protons from the atomic mass. So here the answer comes 8. It means 8 neutrons are present within the carbon 12. So you can see that the number of protons remain same, but there will be the difference in the number of neutrons. In case of carbon 12, 6 neutrons are present. In case of carbon 13, 7 neutrons are present. And in case of the carbon 14, 8 neutrons are present within the nucleus.